Hey everyone, today I want to talk about a tool that has completely changed how I handle my video creation process. If you are tired of spending hours slicing up long videos for social media, then you definitely need to hear about Vizard. We have all seen those flashy AI tools popping up lately that promise to create cinema-quality clips from a single prompt. But for most of us, the real bottleneck is not generating something new. It is managing the workflow of what we already have. How do you turn an hour-long podcast or a complex tutorial into a consistent stream of bite-sized content without losing your mind? I used to spend half my week scraping through hours of footage, looking for that one viral reaction or a catchy quote. Then, I would have to manually trim, resize for vertical mobile formats, add captions, and schedule every single post. It was tedious work, but Vizard changes the game by automating that entire process in a way that actually feels smart. The core feature that hooked me is the automated clip picking, which intelligently surfaces the best moments from your long uploads. Instead of just cutting randomly, the system scores these moments based on engagement signals and on-screen activity. I tested it on a 60-minute video, and it pulled out clips that I would have chosen myself, saving me hours of grunt work. You still have full creative control, but the heavy lifting like trimming and caption syncing is done for you automatically. Then there is the auto-scheduling feature, which lets you bypass the manual headache of re-uploading content to different platforms. You just tell the AI how often you want to post, and it queues up your clips to keep your content calendar active. It acts like a virtual assistant, making sure you maintain momentum on TikTok, Instagram, and Shorts without micromanaging. The content calendar view itself is a lifesaver, giving you a bird's-eye view of your entire publishing strategy in one place. I know some of you might be wondering how this compares to those other ultra-sophisticated generative video AIs. Those tools are great if you want to generate entirely new cinematic footage from scratch, but they solve a different problem. Vizard is designed for creators who already have hours of footage and need to extract the value out of that existing content. When you look at the pricing, you have to weigh it against the time you are saving and the consistency you are gaining. For those of us running a channel where volume matters, the paid tiers start to pay for themselves almost immediately. I should mention that no AI is pure magic, so you will still want to tweak your captions and verify the clip boundaries. However, for social-first highlights and repeatable content, Vizard hits that perfect sweet spot of speed and quality. I recently uploaded a 45-minute demo, and within 20 minutes, I had 8 polished, ready-to-post clips from it. One of those clips was a reaction I hadn't even noticed, yet it ended up getting some of my best engagement that week. The key is to feed the AI good, high-quality footage with clear audio so that the analysis can be as accurate as possible. If you are struggling to stay consistent or just need to scale your output without burnout, give Vizard a serious look. It is not trying to replace your entire creative process, just the repetitive parts that keep you from doing the fun stuff. I will keep testing more advanced workflows with this, so drop a comment if you want a detailed tutorial on my specific setup. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next roundup. And happy creating out there!